Today we'll look at agricultural water pond, new technology of water storage into the farms, wherein water can be brought by the pipeline either from the canals or directly from the dams or anicuttes or even from the uh, wells. So whatever sources are available. So nowadays, what the farmers are doing is that they are developing agricultural water ponds. Now, this hilly area, this area which looks like a hilly area, this is not a hill actually. Hill is on the back side, but this smaller structure, which looks like a hill, this is actually an agricultural water pond. So now we will see how the farmers they are developing this and maintaining this. So it's very difficult to go up. Okay, so finally we reached to this spot from the top. Now this is how the agricultural water pond looks like, wherein the water is stored here for protection and for not allowing the water to percolate down. Here a plastic coating is done, and with the help of this plastic coating, the percolation of water can be reduced or to stopped. It is 90% it is stopped. So in this way water is conserved for longer time. No doubt it is open, so the rate of evaporation also reduces the quantity of water available, but this is one of the best way of ensuring the water supply for the agricultural fields in dry seasons, very specifically now we are into a December month, and from January February onwards, here slowly and slowly the agricultural shortage problem this starts. So to cope up with these problems, the farmers they have developed such type of agricultural water ponds, where the government is also giving subsidy on the construction of such ponds. Now, as per the production cost of this agricultural water pond is concerned, it is somewhere closer to 5 to 6 lakh rupees, and when the government also gives subsidy on this. So this is one of the way by which the slowly and slowly the farmers they are modernizing their agricultural practices. So here in this field we have different crops, like we have cotton. Now it is a black cotton soil which is formed because of the disintegration of disintegration of basaltic rocks. In Maharashtra, particularly in the central Maharashtra and central western Maharashtra, here the majority of the rocks they are basaltic rocks, because in the geological past, because of the fissure eruption which occurred at the place of the Western Ghat. Now, before the formation of Western Ghat, the crack was developed and the fissure eruption occurred in this area, because of which the Western Ghat is formed, and the Western Ghat is steeper towards the western side and gentle slope is towards the eastern side. Right now we are on the gentle slope side, that is eastern side of the Western Ghat. So these are the hills of the Eastern Ghat, sorry, Western Ghat, and if you go on that side, that is on the western side of the Western Ghat, that is towards the Konkan coastal area, towards Bombay or towards Ratnagiri. Now Bombay is on this side, Ratnagiri is on this side. So if you go on the back side of this, here you'll find that Western Ghat slope is very steep. It looks like an escarpment, a wall like structure. But if you come to the eastern side of the Western Ghat in general, here gentle slope is there, on which the rivers like Godavari on this side, then on further south side, that is towards the Mahabaleshwar, the Krishna river is there, then the Kaveri river is there, then further towards the Tamil Nadu, number of rivers they originate from the Western Ghat and runs towards the eastern side to join the Bay of Bengal. So this is one of the semi-arid track area where largely in the summer months the water scarcity problem is I can say one of the major problem faced by the farmers. So here, to cope up with such water scarcity, the government also supports the farmers in construction of such agricultural water tanks. So myself, R. Santosh, those students who are preparing for civil services, they studies all these things in detail but theoretically. So my objective is to help them to understand it practically, right? So this is how the water can be stored for longer time and can be utilized in water scarcity times. So if you like this video, kindly like it, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, that is SHR Talks by R. Santosh, and prepare seriously for civil services examination. So kindly share this with your friends who are preparing seriously for the civil services examination, right? My videos are largely in English, Hindi and Marathi medium. तर माझे जे व्हिडिओ असतात ते इंग्लिश हिंदी मराठी तिन्ही भाषांमध्ये असतात. काही व्हिडिओज फक्त इंग्लिशमध्ये असतात, काही व्हिडिओज तिन्ही भाषांमध्ये असतात, काही व्हिडिओज इंग्लिश आणि हिंदीमध्ये असतात, काही व्हिडिओज फक्त मराठीमध्ये मिळतील तुम्हाला किंवा काही फक्त इंग्लिशमध्ये मिळतील. डिपेंड जसं मला फार्म्सवर व्हिजिट करता करता टाईम मिळतो त्या हिशोबाने मी प्रयत्न करतो की जेवढे शक्य होतील तेवढे व्हिडिओ बनवावे. And in this way, I'm trying to share my knowledge with the IAS aspirants, because being a mentor for the IAS examination for last 20 years, I have developed this habit of teaching to the students now, as I'm engaged more into the agricultural activities and very specifically helping the farmers in increasing their farm produce quality, quantity, and the strength, so that they can get maximum price from the farm produce. Here, I'm having a little time to give to the IAS aspirant. So whenever I get the time in between, and whenever I feels that yes, something productive can be done through a particular video, I tries to make a video on this. So this is the eastern side of the Western Ghat. On that side we have a western side. Now if you go, now this is a semi-arid track area, so you'll find less vegetation even on the can say Western Ghat. But if you go further towards the west or towards east and south, you'll find the Western Ghat is highly dense as far as the vegetation is concerned, variety of vegetations. And this is also one of the biodiversity hotspot. Like, you know, in India there are three major biodiversity hotspot. One is this Western Ghat, second is the Himalayan region, and third is in northeastern India, right? Northeastern hilly area. So these three hotspots are there. So Western Ghat is also one of the major biodiversity hotspot where the biodiversity is in danger and needs to be protected, right? So in the so I'll end my video here today. So this is how the agriculture water pond looks like.